What's going on, guys? For today's video I have a Supreme Week 2 unboxing and my voice is kind of gone again, so please bear with me that I have been losing my voice in every single video that I've been making lately, so please bear with me on that. But let's just jump right into this unboxing. I forgot to cover up my address here, so hopefully you guys can't see that. There's a Week 2 unboxing for Supreme. Wait, was it Week 2? I want to say it was Week 2, but I'm not 100% sure about that. Yeah, it's been so long. Maybe it wasn't Week 2, could have been Week 3. I'll find it out. It'll be in the title. Anyways, shipping took a super long time, and I'm not sure why. Well, I mean, obviously, it probably is because of the virus going on right now that Supreme has been lacking. Excluding Week 1, usually I can get my stuff like next week. Majority of the time. This took about like two and a half weeks to get, so that's a little bit unfortunate. I did get two things from this drop, and from looking at it, it looks like I did not get any stickers, so that is upsetting. But anyways, let's just move along. This is gonna be a really quick video because it's just two things. Got a bunch of stuff on me, but right off the bat, we do got one of my favorite items from this season. Honestly, I was a little hesitant about this in the lookbook. After I got to see in-person photos of this on Instagram, I do really like this item, and wow, mine looks like, maybe it's part of the design. Gotta think it was looking broken for a second. But anyways, this is the transparent lock. It comes with this really nice case, which I do not understand how this was only $20. And it even came with the case. It has the keys right there. And then here it is right here. It is completely see-through for the lock. Yeah, I really do like this. This looks awesome. Here are the keys to it too, so you can unlock it and then do whatever you gotta do with it. And yeah, I just think this is so cool. You can see through it. Got the red BOGO on it, and you can see everything on the inside. Wait, I wasn't even paying attention. What happens when you do that? I mean, nothing. Oh, you can't really see anything. It just moves the top part. I got sidetracked. But anyways, it comes with this nice case and the keys, like I said. And yeah, this item was like $20, which I do not understand how it was only $20. That seems like too good to be true with Supreme pricing. So this was a steal of a deal. I had to get this for the personal. This item is sick, so not really too much more to say about it. Maybe I'll try to get some close-up shots if I do not forget, but that is the transparent lock. And moving on to the last item, and let me double check. Yeah, no stickers in here. It's crazy. So on to the last item. This looks like the same box that the chopsticks came in, but it's not the chopsticks. It is the Star incense burner. This came in two colors. I think I got white. I wasn't really sure what color I got. This thing is sweet, but I do not really know how to use it. I'm just a Supreme collector and literally get just about everything. So let's open it up and see what's inside, because this is for the personal. I'm not going to be reselling either of these items because you know me, I like keeping the accessories and the stickers. So let's get this out of here. So on the back it just says Supreme MFG Co. New York on the back. Looks pretty cool. Flip it around, you got the stars with the Supreme box logo in the middle. Then when you open it up, you got the little stick thing. And you know, guys, I'm just gonna be completely honest with you. I don't like the smell of that. To be completely honest with you, I do not know how to use this. It looks a little different. Like maybe this, yeah, I don't really want to go into much detail about it because, like I said, this is just going to be on a shelf because I am just a collector. I just like putting all my stuff on the shelf. So if you remember from the other videos, when I used to have that big setup, hopefully that will be coming soon where I can set all my stuff up in the background. But yeah, this is honestly seems very cheaply made. Has like imperfections in the wood. There's some chippings on it right here and here and here. Probably a ton more too that I'm just not seeing. This isn't the best quality, which is kind of upsetting only because this was like $35 compared to that lock is like insane quantity and $20. This price tag was pretty steep in my personal opinion. I can't remember what else came out this week, but I know the site was lagging like crazy. I could not buy anything, so I was only able to get this and not in the desired colorway I wanted. Beggars can't be choosers. At least I got it for retail and didn't have to pay resale. But yes, that is the Star incense burner. So like I said, this was a super quick video. I only got two things from this week, and I do apologize. I do not remember what week this is, but I will throw it on the screen. You will see it in the title, so you will know what week this was. But that was my Supreme unboxing for this week. I haven't really caught anything too much more. I've been taking L after L after L. This week as I'm recording it, the Oreos do come out, so I need to hit a W on the Oreos. Please let me hit a W on the Oreos. The site has just been a complete disaster this season. Honestly, Team Mobile is just over with in my opinion. It's very hard to be getting things mobile, but I'm still out here trying. Hopefully I get this W this week and then for the next weeks, and maybe that was just a little rough patch at the beginning of the web store, but who knows. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys did pick up anything from this week or any other week this season. So again, that was my Supreme unboxing. If you did enjoy this video, I have a ton of other Supreme Palace FTP videos, anything hype related. You can check out my channel to see more about that. If you did enjoy this video, please hit the like button and drop a comment down below. And if you are not already, please subscribe, hit that bell notification. You can be alerted every time I upload a new video. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm out.